Hello dear Sicily lovers! Today we talk about prickly pears. I'm gonna teach you how to pick, peel and enjoy the most traditional and delicious Sicilian fruit.
Tutti lo disse che dai a lasciare meglio la morte e non che sto dolore. Ai 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 ai, maru 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 maru, c'è lo magari, l'amore mio setto. Ai 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 ai, maru 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 maru, c'è lo magari, l'amore mio setto.
Firstly, let's start talking about the tools you need to pick prickly pears. This is the most traditional Sicilian tool. We call it coppo. As you can see, it's a stick with a cylinder. Actually, it's a cone. It's a particular shape, and you can use it to pick prickly pears. Then we have a bucket, and this is the most important thing: some fig leaves. So, guys, of course, the Sicilian sun is so hot and I'm wet. But let's start picking prickly pears. Let's start with the green variety. In Sicily we have three different kind of prickly pears. The green one, the yellow, orange one and the violet one. This is the green. I think it's one of the sweetest. So we use the coppo. We insert the fruit and then it's ready. And this behind me is the orange, the yellow variety. So first recommendation, first suggestion, use the coppo, the special stick to pick the prickly pear. Don't try to use your hands, they are so dangerous, they have a lot of thorns. And second recommendation, don't pick prickly pears in a windy day, because you risk to to have the thorns in your face, so be careful. This is the green variety. This is the yellow-orange variety. And this is not green. This is not ripe. So we have to wait some days, perhaps some weeks. And the other suggestion, August is the perfect month to pick prickly pears. In Sicily, they ripen in August, late August. I'm very proud. This is my personal harvest. Of course, this is nothing because the most of the prickly pears in my garden are not ripe, and so I have to be satisfied of this result so far. And now it's time to clean, to peel the prickly pears. But first, we have to make an important operation. We have to take the thorns off. So all we need is some picked leaves. This is the most traditional way to take the thorns off, and some water. I'm gonna show you the way. So we have some water. we fill the bucket with water, and in the meantime we use our fig leaves. And we make a sort of soft massage. Because the fig leaves have an important feature, they are so rough, and they take the thorns off in a very easy way. As you can see, this method actually works, because the superficie of the water is full of thorns. So we can throw the water, the dirty water, away. And now it's time to peel our prickly pears. As you can see, I'm touching with my hand. But if you are afraid, if you are worried, you can use a fork. So you take it. You take the top and the bottom away. Then you make a cut in this direction. Okay? Just the superficie of the fruit. And then very, very slowly you took the zest away. This is the movement that you have to do. So this is the result. I should try. So sweet. And my personal recommendation, my personal tip is to enjoy this delicious fruit very, very cold. So, this is the result. Guys, I'm very proud because this is so delicious, and it's full of important properties. So first of all, this is organic because it comes from my garden. And then I would like to spend some words. This is an incredible source of properties. This is full of vitamin C, so it's an antiviral. It's very useful if you have diabetics or high cholesterol, obesity, and the most important thing is it's delicious. This is my usual breakfast during the late summertime. This is the fruit of August. So we start picking it in late August until the end of September. This is my special breakfast. This is the green and this is the yellow-orange one. My personal prickly pears. The choice is very, very hard. I don't know. What's your preference? If you like this video, please thumb it up and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and see you the next one.